this very first episode of the Docker playlist, we're going to see various things, especially the setup. Let's start directly from the Docker website, which is docker.com. We do not need to sign in for the very first episode. We just have to download it for the operating system that you have. I'm downloading it for Windows. It will directly download you the installer. If you are behind a corporate proxy, or if you are using some corporate networks, you have to enter your admin password while installing it. Docker, why it is very much important in this rapid growing architectural infra-based systems, we need Docker to be the base for our applications to be deployed and run everywhere. So we have to learn Docker. It has moved from an emerging technology to a very important core part of each and every project the IT infrastructure is carrying on. So learning Docker adds value to your profile, as well as it helps to boost up your application development. So as an infra software engineer, it is very much handy when you have a tool like Docker in your profile. So the Docker desktop installing, it might take quite some time to install. So I have done it, and it will ask you to restart it. Let's restart our system. But before that, you should need a hypervisor enabled for it. Nowadays, all systems are having the hypervisor enabled, I believe. If it is not, you have to turn it on from your BIOS. So now that we have all the containers, images, you can see, I have opened the Docker desktop. It will come as a pre-built one. It will be inside your desktop as a shortcut, or you can search it from the search. And I am showing you various options that are available. So what we should do next, we should actually create a Docker file and start exploring what is there with Docker. So now you can see when I put something in the command prompt, you can see what are all the commands that are available for Docker. And let's open a notepad and start creating a Docker file, which will continue in the next episode.